Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. So friends, as humans, we all are blessed with the brain, which is the most important tool of our body. Our brain works just like a computer because it sends lots and lots of commands to our entire body, which really helps for the smooth function of our body. So in today's video, we are going to talk about that how can we take care of our brain just like we take care of a computer. So if you're interested in this topic and want to know all about this, then I would request you to please watch this video till end to get the best out of it. So let's start it. Welcome to Mindyology, the platform for skills, lifestyle, and career development. I'm your host and host Deepak from the Team-Mindyology. So let's start the video. So, like we've discussed, we want to know how can we take care of our brain just like we do it for the computer. So the first and foremost thing which comes into the picture is updating the software of your computer. So how can we update the software of our brain? So let's discuss about that. The first thing there is the books. Friends, books are our real friends. मैंने कई सारे वीडियोस में बात आपको बताई है. जब हम बुक्स पढ़ते हैं, अच्छी चीज़ें सीखते हैं, अच्छी बातें सीखते हैं, that straight away goes into our brain and it gives a lot of energy and the knowledge into our brain, which is very important for its software. The second thing is podcasts. It is comparatively very new things, but it's a very popular and common things these days, especially with the youngsters and all. Podcast के ज़रिए आपको नए लोगों की बातें सुनने, उनके अच्छे विचार जानने, कई अच्छी चीज़ें सुनने, समझने और सीखने का मौका मिलता है, which is a very, very important thing for our brain, my friends. The third thing is, which is there, is the experience. आपने ये ज़रूर सुना होगा, experience is the best teacher. Yes, my friends. So with your experiences, you can also update your brain software. Experiences could be anything. It could be a bad experience, a good experience. Bad experiences भी आपको सीखने को मिलता है कि क्या गलती हमने की है, उसको हम ना दोहराएं. Good experience definitely boosts your confidence, your morale. Experience आप कहीं से भी ले सकते हैं, with your friends, with your colleagues, family, and आप कुछ अच्छी trips पर जाते हैं, कहीं घूमने जाते हैं, you go for a work thing. It all gives you lots and lots of experiences of your life, my friends. You can gather it from anywhere you want. Then the second thing which is very important for our brain is protecting its battery. Yes, my friend, how can we protect the battery? That is the base thing of any system, any tool. कि battery रहेगी तभी वो tool काम करेगा. Same goes for the brain. So the very important thing which comes into the picture very firstly is the sleep. 8 hours of sleep is very, very important, my friends. I've discussed it numerous times in loads of my videos earlier. कि sleep 8 hours at least आपको चाहिए, so that your body, your brain can function properly, because it also needs rest. Energy चाहिए उसको भी, so it's very important. Then the second thing is connecting with nature. हम में से काफ़ी सारे लोग नेचर के साथ कनेक्ट करना भूल गए हैं, maybe because of COVID or any other reason we are sitting at our home, but we must connect, maybe once in a week, twice a week, once or twice in a month, but we should keep having this kind of connection with the nature. It is very important for the smooth functioning of our brain. इसकी बैटरी रिचार्ज करने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. Then the last but not the least thing is टेक्नोलॉजी डिटॉक्स, माय फ्रेंड्स. हम आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजी का ज़माना है. अपने काम को आसान करने के लिए वी यूज़ लॉट ऑफ phones, gadgets, different things we are using, but to certain extent these things are harmful as well, because उनमें से काफ़ी सारी ऐसी dangerous rays निकलती हैं which is very, very bad for our brain. So we should have a technology detox. अपने आप को चीज़ों से थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ टाइम के लिए दूर रखें, which is very, very important for our brain. Then last but not the least comes into the picture is cleaning its hardware. Yes, my friends, if you're doing a function like a computer, for our brain, then we should clean its hardware as well. And how do we do that? The first thing is meditation. योगा मेडिटेशन एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमारे पूरी बॉडी को एक अच्छा फीलिंग देती है, इंक्लूडिंग आवर ब्रेन. सो इफ यू वांट टू डू द क्लींजिंग ऑफ आवर ब्रेन just like we do the cleaning of the hardware of our computer, then meditation is very, very important. And then the next thing is, which is very, very important, and I think most of you do this, or if you don't do this, please start doing it. That is called self-talk. Yes, my friends, खुद से बात करना, अपने आप को समझना, जानना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कहीं ना कहीं हमारे मन में वो एक दूसरी आवाज़ एक सेकंड और चलती रहे, यार मैं करूँ नहीं करूँ, ऐसे करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, अब से मैं ये करूँगा, अब से मैं वो करूँगा, ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा. That is what I'm talking about. Self-talk is very important. Many a time it can save us of taking any kind of stupid decision or doing a stupid thing. If we do a few minutes or few seconds of self-talk, then we can prevent lots and lots of undue things which happen with us. So it's very important for cleansing of our brain, or I would say just like a computer cleaning its hardware. So friends, I hope you've understood this thing, and if you consider your brain like a computer or like a very important or the most important tool of your body, then you would also follow these things to take care of your brain as a computer. So if you found this video useful, helpful, then please do share it with your friends, family and colleagues so that they can also take help from this video and take care of their brain. So it's time to take leave from all of you friends, but before we go, if you love Mindyology's video, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest update from us always on time, my friends. And do share your feedback, suggestions and comments into the comment section, or you can write us at Infomindyology@gmail.com and let us know what you think about Mindyology. Let us know if you want to make us videos on your choice of topic. We would love to do that because it's your own channel, my friends. So it's time to take a final leave from all of you. We shall meet next week at the same channel, Mindyology. Till then, please keep loving Mindyology like you always do, and do take very good care of yourself, my friends. I wish you a wonderful and a blessed day ahead. Bye-bye.